Left 4 Dead. It's like this. Let me show you guys what I mean by Left 4 Dead. Maya. And just as you know, I'm making a video. Like okay, don't matter about my sister. Over here, I was just telling her, my sister, that's my bad. My sister. Okay, watch what I mean by sound effects. What do I mean by, Left 4 Dead sound effects? Left 4 Dead. Them talking. It isn't them. It's not supposed to be them talking. I mean, like them whenever you. I mean, like the sound whenever you open the door. Like I didn't mean like actual them talking. Was it this one? Here, watch, guys. It was right here. Watch what I mean. See, it sounds just like mine. See what I mean, guys?